sweetest guy in town.
Hi guys, I'm back with a hair review and I'm trying out another wig from Wiggins Hair. If you guys remember, I did a review with their 28-inch body wave wig a couple months ago that I'm still obsessed with. So I was excited when they offered me to try another unit of theirs. Because the quality of their hair was so good and the wig is still in my collection, I was more than happy to do another hair collaboration with them. This time we're installing an 18-inch 250 density curly wig that is perfect for the girls who love curls but don't really want the heat and detangling task that having long dense hair comes with. The lace is HD and pre-plucked, and the fact that all the units come like this honestly makes life so much easier and requires little to no product and tools to install. While I unbox, let me give you a bit of details about this hair. Now first things first, I really like how healthy and luscious the curl pattern is. It just lets you know that the wig won't be quick to brittle and go dry. The curls are super soft and bouncy and so easy to work with. Because the unit's basically pre-styled for you, there really isn't a lot you need to do to install. The lace is nice and thin, meaning I don't need to use too much glue to melt the lace down, so I opted to use a freezing spray instead. And if you have a good thin lace, this should be good enough to last the install a couple of days. The two adjustable bands ensure that you have more than enough options on how comfortable, tight or loose you want your wig to sit on your head. Having the wig sit firmly on your head also helps cut down the installation time required. I also love that the parting has been pre-styled and the wig hot combed for you so that you don't have to do any prep work for the unit, meaning you avoid damage or creating hair loss due to excessive plucking and heat damage on a new wig. All I really needed was an edge brush, spray, wig band and scissors for this installation. If that doesn't scream easy to install, then I don't know what does. Having worked with Wiggins Hair before, the quality of their hair has really stood the test of time, so I'm pretty confident this unit will too. So I'm going to show you guys two different ways to style this wig. The first is brushed out, and then later on I'll do a more slick, watered down look. I was really happy with how the curls looked brushed out because even though they were looking bushy, they were still soft and didn't look tangled at all. Now, if you know me, you know it's big hair, don't care all the way, child. I love me some big hair. So obviously, I think I like the more bushed out hairstyle. But let's see how the slick looks. So I read some people were scared that I was using a razor to cut my lace. I opted to use the scissors this time. Even though a razor does make the lace look more realistic, I recommend buying a brow shaping blade or a dermaplaning one that has a more safer handle. Always use a freezing spray just after cutting your lace. This really makes sure that the lace melts nicely into your skin and almost matches your skin tone. If you can see it happening in this video, it really makes the wig come together and melt right into your skin. I put on the band one more time just to make sure that the wig has really stuck very close onto my skin. I like it when it looks so scalpy like this. With curly hair, guys, the saying goes, less is honestly more. You don't really need to use a lot of products. Any heavy oils or anything like that will really damage the curl pattern of your hair. Here I just use some warm water and some leave-in conditioner. You can even use a normal conditioner and mix it into water and shake that bottle up and use that on your hair. I don't like to use combs on a Jericho wig. Just brush through with your fingers. This helps the curl pattern stay healthy and the curls to stay together. Curly wigs really don't need that much work, and that's why I love wearing them on holidays. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you prefer brushed out or a more watered down look. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like both wet and dry, but you know, I'm a big hair type of girl. But the sleek down, watered down look is giving island girl, is giving, you know, just came out of some clear ocean beaches, just giving luscious island girl vibes. I love it. This stunning curly wig from Wiggins Hair boasts luscious, bouncy curls that exude volume, texture, and unparalleled movement. With this natural-looking hairline and impeccable craftsmanship, this wig is sure to turn heads and make you feel like a queen. Let me know what you think.